Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you're fine and doing well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Fashion Girly Hacks. Life is busy and your hair should make things easier, not harder. Welcome to our guide on the best low maintenance hairstyles for 2026. If you are tired for spending hours styling your hair every morning, you are in the right place. Today we are showing you cuts that look expensive and chic but require almost zero effort. Let's find your perfect wash and go look. First up is the texture pixie. This is the queen of low maintenance. Just a bit of hair wax, a quick ruffle with your fingers and you're ready to go. Next we have the blunt bob. It's sleek, professional and always looks polished, especially for straight hair. If you have natural waves, the short shag or wolf cut is your best friend. It's designed to look messy, chic. So the more natural it looks, the better. These styles are all about working with your hair's natural texture instead of fighting it. The secret to keeping these looks low maintenance is using the right products. Switch your heavy blow dryer for a light air dry cream or a sea salt spray. This keeps your hair healthy and saves you at least 20 minutes every morning. Most of these styles don't even need a brush, just your fingers and a little confidence. Plus, short hair dries in a fraction of the time, meaning you can hit the snooze button one more time. Short hair is a lifestyle choice that gives you back your time. So which of these effortless looks is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe my channel. And this video, save it for your next salon visit. Stay beautiful, stay stylish and stay simple, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care and bye bye.